Brandon, you gotta go in first on this one.
Oh, Brandon?
This Brandon gotta go in first on this one.
I gotta go what?
You gotta go in first. You gotta go in first.
I don't know where I'm supposed to go in.
Catch it, I beat.
Listen, coke and a smile, hit you in your grill. I ain't talking George Foreman, but I got the grill. No Paul Wall, but my teeth shine like a grill. Hit you with the steel. Call me Holyfield. Yes. Knock niggas out. Boy, that's what I do. Yeah. I will knock you out your fucking shoe. Yes. Nigga. This is that real shit. I double my gang size. This is that real shit.
Yes.
No.
Hold on, bro. Drop the beat, bro. Drop the beat.
Listen, I will go acapella, shoot you and your fella. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I eat Amarolas. Don't back the phone up because I ain't home nuts. I will hit you and your homie and your home nuts. I don't give a fuck, boy. I am a home butt. Nigga, you heard me right. I'm a home butt. Nigga, I will catch you at home in your butt. Catch